Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Hamza, and wow, what a day we've had today. From the stock market going up and then going down and then bouncing back up a little bit, and then what we have going on in DC. It's just amazing to see that these are things that actually happen in America these days. Wow. And as you all know, I'm looking for opportunity, and I feel like today was the right day to jump in the market with these three stocks that I picked. For those of you who may not know this, I am a real estate investor. I actively invest in real estate all around the nation. That is how I built the bulk of my wealth. I am moving that money into the stock market. And with that being said, I realized that my real estate portfolio in the stock market was very weak. And I truly believe that the REIT or the real estate space right now is really undervalued due to speculation around collection and the pandemic, of course, COVID-19, and what's going to happen with collections moving forward. And I know you guys don't like to waste time, so let me tell you guys what the three ticker symbols were that I bought. And then later on in the video, I'm going to explain why I purchased all three of them. The first stock I bought was Realty Income, ticker symbol O. The second stock I bought was Opendoor Technologies, ticker symbol Open. And the third stock I bought was REDFIN, ticker symbol RDFN. I'm going to get into why I bought all three of those stocks in just a second. But before that, please remember to hit the like button. It does help me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, subscribe to the channel if you want daily news on what stocks I'm looking at and what stocks I am buying on a daily basis. And of course, a quick disclaimer. I'm just a guy on YouTube. Just because I buy these stocks doesn't mean that you have to. Only invest money in the market that you are willing to lose. And with that, let's get back into the video. So really quickly, I'm going to jump into Realty Income. It's a very safe stock. They've been in business for a very long time. But the reason that I decided to invest in them is that they are currently below $60, which is amazing. I mean, they've been holding resistance at $60 for the longest time. I actually purchased this stock right around $59, which I think is a great buying opportunity. I don't think, unless we have another down cycle where we saw something like what happened last March, I really don't see any downside in Realty Income beyond $59. I don't think we're going to get this price point again. And the reason that I'm buying Realty Income is that I feel like their assets have not deflated in value. The only thing is there is speculation around their collections, and due to COVID, of course, some of their tenants' businesses are shut, which is a little concerning. But that's all gonna bounce back. And I quickly want to go over their website and show you guys something really interesting that I found. So as you can see right here, it says member of the S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats Index. So basically what that means is that Realty Income has been giving consistent dividends for over 25 years now. I think that's some really good track record. I've been monitoring their growth for quite a while. I do believe that this stock is currently discounted and their dividend yield is solid. What that means is, yes, due to the pandemic, some of their tenants like AMC are not seeing business the way they used to. People are just not going out that much. However, there's a lot of their businesses and a lot of their tenants that have to be there long term. And the fact that they've continued to acquire more real estate over 2020, hopefully they got some good deals on those deals, which is why they decided to acquire them, meaning that they are buying discounted assets. So I decided that instead of me going out and looking for these distressed assets, it would be better to just leave that to them and invest in them, and hopefully I get a good discount on the stock price when that stock price goes back up to $80. One more thing really quickly about Realty Income is that they do call themselves the monthly dividend company. So I like getting monthly dividends, and hopefully those dividends will bring in more dividends as I reinvest all my dividends in the company. Of course, you can go over their website. They've got all their numbers published there. They have a couple of PR reports as well that talk about their earnings and their acquisitions in 2020, which I thought was very, very interesting. You guys can do that on your own time, but I'm just here to tell you that I'm investing in Realty Income moving forward. So the second stock I did add to my portfolio today is Opendoor. I think they're a great business model, and the recent SPAC and leadership behind it are just phenomenal. I'm sure some of you are aware of the names behind Opendoor, and it's like a dream team that has come together to lead this company. So my price target for this company is way above where it's at right now. So let me show you where Opendoor is trading at right now. So this is what's going on with Opendoor. I do anticipate this stock growing like crazy. over the next couple of years, and that is just because I really believe in the leadership team. And of course, I want real estate to be a part of my portfolio, and I think this is one of the better companies to invest in. The third company I invested in is Redfin. I think Redfin have an amazing business model. I think they have a great business model, and they are currently penetrating the market with their low 1% fee to the agents. Now, of course, I don't think this 1% fee is going to be something long term. I think they are going to have to come up on the fee. However, I do think it's a great market penetration strategy for them. So let's wait and see what happens. I really think that they're poised for success. So I'm very excited to have invested in Redfin as well. Now, out of the three companies, I really think Opendoor is my favorite. I think they have the technology. They are currently also going through that market penetration process where their fees are a little below everybody else, and I don't think that is sustainable long term. So they are going to have to up their fees in order for their revenues and their EBITDAs to match whatever their projections are for the next couple of years. I truly believe that the leadership team at Opendoor is phenomenal. In fact, the CEO and the CTO are both founders of the company, which I thought is amazing. The fact that they're still dedicating all their time and still leading the company at CEO and CTO positions is just amazing. And based on what I'm reading online, price targets conservatively are at about $34, $35 a share. I know this video is going to be up really late, but I had to update you guys on what's going on with my portfolio today. And with that, I quickly wanted to remind you guys about the weekly cash giveaway that I'm doing every Friday in 2021. The first giveaway is this Friday, 4 p.m. Central. I'm going to be hosting a live, and all you guys need to do is be part of the live and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to qualify to get the cash prize. Once again, my name is Hamza, and I'll see you guys next video.